Namaste guys, this is Priyu and you are welcome to my channel Priyu's Crafty Wings. I hope you all are well. Today I will show you how to make a wallmate with newspapers and craft papers. This is very simple and easy. So let's begin. At the first step, I am taking a large sized newspaper and a thin stick. Now I am folding this. Roll it very carefully. Now I am making newspaper stick. Roll it and roll it. And the last stage, I am applying little amount of glue for sticking it. Now I will cut the both side of the stick with scissor. They all are ready. All are 10 centimeters long. Now I am taking a little sized newspapers and applying glue here. I will attaching 4 newspaper sticks one by one, step by step. Attach this very carefully. It's very simple. Make sure all are same. Now I am reducing extra newspaper from both sides with this scissor. Cut this another side. These all are ready. Now I will make shape. Now I am making square shape. Applying glue and the another part of base. Let it dry. After drying this, I am flipping this. I am taking 4 newspaper sticks. All are 7 centimeters long. I am applying glue the both sides. Now I will attaching this. Again I am attaching glue and the sticks. Let it dry and then I am attaching a thread with tape for hanging purpose. After that I am again flip this. Base is ready and now I am taking black acrylic color. You have to use acrylic color. You can choose any other color, whatever you want. My newspaper base is completely ready now. Now I am taking a round shaped craft paper. I am making a curved line. Now I will cut this with scissor as per line. I am taking the stick for rolling it. Again roll it carefully. I am making rose flower. It's almost done, and now I am attaching little amount of glue at the end of this paper. Stick it and let it dry. My paper flower is ready. Look, all are my flowers. Now I am taking green paper for making leaf. I am making half leaf shape. Then cut it. This step is very easy. Now fold it angularly. Watch this very carefully. It's a vital step. My green leaf is ready. All leaves are ready now. I am taking the newspaper base now. So, now I am attaching all flowers with glue on this base. You can choose any other papers, any other colors for making craft flowers. Now I am attaching leaves with glue. It's very easy and have fun. Step by step, I am attaching all flowers and leaves. Now I will attach little leaves. These all are very cute. Attaching rose flower at the middle. Now my wallmat is totally ready. I hope you all are enjoying my video. If you like this video, please do like, comment and share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.